So today is a Monday. You'll probably see this on Tuesday, which is New Year's Eve. Hopefully you guys enjoy your New Year's Eve. I don't know when you'll see this, probably New Year's Eve though. But I'm headed over to finally get an alignment. I was trying to get it done on Friday, but they were actually booked up. And they could actually get it in on Friday, but I would have had to leave it all day, and I really don't like leaving this car places. Not that they would do anything to it. I want to be the one that drives it onto the ramps and takes it off the ramps. I just would rather be responsible for it. So anyways, setting a plan for today, which is Monday. And we're not going to get anything done to the front. I am going to turn the wheel just a little bit, try and straighten out the wheel later today. But really what we're just trying to do is get finally the rear camber set to 0, which we should be able to easily achieve with installing the BMR upper camber arms, which if you guys need anything from BMR suspension, wow, that guy just ran a red light. This is why I always, at red lights, I always kind of just sit there for a second, look both ways, and then I go, because if someone runs a red light, obviously it's their fault, but you're dead, so it doesn't matter. Anyways, if you guys need anything on bmrsuspension.com, you can use my code VANV39, save yourself some money, and get free shipping. But anyways, that's really the purpose of getting this alignment, is to finally set the camber to 0. If you guys don't know, I've been pretty much running the car on negative, I have the sheets somewhere, but it's like negative, I don't know, 0.7 to 0.8 camber, and really you want, I think it was negative, maybe it was positive, no, it was positive. It was positive 0.7 to 1 degree on, it was like 0.7 on one side and 1 degree on the other side. Anyways, we're trying to set that to 0, that way we can get the most contact patch down. So hopefully that'll help the car get out of the hole. Obviously the car already 60 foot's really good, but these minor differences could help. Obviously they should, but we'll find out. But so we're headed over, we're gonna get an alignment. See you guys over there. Guys, we just got the alignment done over at Cruisers. I really like going over there because I know the guy, and he lets me go in there, lets me look under the car, so just to make sure. I'm really picky about who touches my car. So luckily the guy over there is super nice. He lets me drive it on to the alignment, and he lets me be in there when they do it, because a lot of people, they won't let you in there because for safety reasons, but he lets me go in there. And we got the camber to 0 finally. So we had to mess with the toe a little bit, because every time we messed with the camber, it started messing with the toe. So we did have to adjust the toe. And so BMR, for drag racing, BMR wants 0.12 of toe on each side for a total of 0.24. And we got it to like 0.22. So it was really close on the toe, and then the camber we got to exactly 0.0. Now the camber might change a little bit as the car settles, but at least we know it's as close as we can get it. So it's definitely at 0 right now. Like I said, stuff loosens up, stuff moves around, but it's aligned now. So I'm really interested to see if it helps the 60 foot at all. It might not, it might just make it more consistent. So, and that's pretty much what we're always chasing, is trying to be consistent. You don't want to be the guy that's out there making like one good pass and then everything else is just crap. So a few other things I got to do before we actually take the car out this weekend to the Motorplex, because we do have the private rental. If you guys haven't been following along, we have the private rental this Saturday at the Motorplex. Gonna hopefully try and go faster. We're gonna try and get back to like the low 1.2 60 foots. See if we can't go like a 1.20 or a 1.21. The best in the car so far is a 1.24, and so we're hoping we're gonna bring the boost ramp in sooner and maybe turn up the boost a little bit. We're gonna see if it can go like 1.20, 1.21, and then we're gonna turn the boost up just a little bit on the back end, just like 1 or 2 pounds of boost. See if we can get a little more mile an hour in the car and get a little better ET. So I'm really excited, but got a few more things to do to the car. Gonna go over to Joe's later, so I'll see you guys over at Joe's. Colors first. What's this one? Copper Canyon?
Which one?
So this is Copper Canyon.
Satin Copper Canyon.
We've already decided no on that one. This is Matte Orange. I already decided no on that one. This is pretty much the Tang Stang.
That's bright orange.
Decided no on that one.
Burnt orange.
This is not burnt orange.
What is that?
That does not look like burnt orange to me. And then this is matte red, which is super ugly. Brady, what are you hiding over there? Probably the cookies. All right, what? These are the two options we've got. So Cass voted for the white, what's this actual called?
Satin Frozen Vanilla.
It's got like a nice gold sparkle. Cass got the white vote. Brady?
Brady took the gloss Fury Orange.
This is the color I choose too. It's kind of like the SS. If you guys have seen the SS, I think it's a little lighter, but.
So we're gonna wrap the trunk.
Joe is now wrapping cars. If you guys need anything done, hit him up.
Streetcar Joe, I have no idea.
Look at this parachute from the 80s. My gosh. The precision.
The precision.
That billet hand me down.
Whoa. Did he just say what my motor's gonna be?
Way to go.
Can you edit that out?
See, from here, just looks white. But when the light hits it, it's got a really cool sparkle to it. What was your vet? Just satin white? No, it's matte white. Don't get matte white.
I hated it. It's the worst thing in the world.
Joe already did this wrong, but it's okay.
Did I?
It's supposed to start from the middle, but whatever.
This is working.
This might peel up the paint.
Yeah.
Going by how the rest of the car is gone.
Yeah. Well, we already pulled one wrap off.
The white does look super good, though. The only reason why I say no on the white is because there's a lot of white Fox bodies, but there's a lot of orange Fox bodies too. So.
Okay, there's the white. Okay. White's on. Yeah, I'd say here, like, it's more in the dark. You don't see the glue.
Yeah, when there's no like direct light on it, you can't see all the sparkle.
Sure. So you say start in the middle, huh?
This is your first time in it.
Sure is.
That's pretty good. Just a couple creases, no big deal.
And I'm supposed to wrap a whole car? Not happening.
Supposed to be using heat too. Where's the heat?
I know, and this is just scratching the vinyl. Okay.
That'll buff out.
Ooh, that was a little easier starting from the center.
Let the people vote.
Yeah,
That's what I said.
Oh, and actually let them choose?
Yeah, why
Are
not?
you kidding me? Oh, look at that.
They've gotten us this far, Joe.
Gotten us this far. Look at that. All right.
Joe, the rap extraordinaire here.
Man, did you see that?
Oh, parachute down, parachute down. Look at this thing. It looks like old white leather cleats that you wore in baseball.
Pulled. You wouldn't know that. You've never pulled your parachute.
Yeah, I don't need to. I don't go fast enough.
Facts.
I don't have a Hemi.
Facts. Okay, so here, let's pull it up so it gets that didn't help at all.
Shout out Joe's new razor too.
So what colors are we thinking here?
All right, can you flip it up once?
Flip it up.
Ooh, all right, I'm gonna come on that side.
No, this side sucks.
That side sucks.
Yeah. We should have wrapped something up front, because yeah, none of the lighting.
It's dark back there for sure. All right, I'm squeezing by. Shine a light on it.
Go ahead.
Here, just use this one.
This is terrible. Can we roll the car outside?
Yeah. Sure.
Oh man, I don't know.
Now come over here. It's better. I mean, yeah, no, I can see it a little.
It's hard to see on camera. You can see it a little bit when you shine it on the. Yeah, you can see it. That one will look really good outside in the sun. In the dark, not as good. But once there's lights on that, the white will look really good. The orange just make Joe stand out a little more. Did you pick wheels yet? Did you pick wheels yet?
I'm waiting on color choice.
Oh, so No, you need the wheels first.
Yeah, they're.
The orange is pretty dark back here.
The orange is a little dark. But it's also, I mean, there's no light right here. So imagine like if it was under direct light. Now it looks way brighter. Okay, we put some light on it. It's still hard to see the white, but you get the point. The orange isn't as dark. I don't know, man.
After seeing them,
You want the white, don't you?
I'm on the white.
You've always picked the white.
That orange just.
I'm wrapping my car in that orange. It
I
just,
think the orange will look good in the sun, and when it's dark, it's gonna be dark.
yeah. Joe thinks he's riding with the white. You guys comment down below. Joe probably have picked already, but comment down below what you think. So if you did the white,
I'm interested to see what everyone thinks.
what color wheels would you do? All black or?
Yeah, I probably would. I think the polished barrels would only look good on the orange.
On the orange, yeah. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, if I did white, I think they'd be all black wheels.
The barrels, the bead lock.
I like the idea of having a wrap. Like I like the white. It's such a sick color.
No, the white's cool. I wish it was just more, I don't know. Because from far away, it's just going to look like white. But when the lights are shining on it, it's going to look good. White always looks
It
good.
almost doesn't even look white from far away. It almost looks kind of silvery.
Yeah. Either way, it's going to look good.
See, like from here, that orange is dark.
No, yeah, from back here, the orange is dark when there's no... To me, that looks like a burnt dark orange.
It really does.
It's pretty dark.
We should have done the side. I wonder if we could peel it off and do the side over there.
Yeah, we should test it.
Cut.
You don't need what, Joe?
What?
Alright, now look at the orange from the side. Joe's having a change of heart now. That orange looks killer. See the white?
I mean, regardless, I think they're both.
The orange. Comment down below if you think the orange, man. I think the orange is going to look so good.
It's either the wheel or a stripe or maybe like one single sponsor, you know what I mean?
No. Dave, what are you doing?
What do you think, Joe?
I like the orange now it's on the side.